children, let us do part 2 of the poem Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat. So, the hapless nymph that wonders saw. Nymph is a spirit which has the shape of a beautiful woman. वो जैसे परी है. Hapless means very unfortunate. Cat, these two words have been used for the cat. कैट को किसके साथ कंपेयर किया? निम्फ के साथ. जो निम्फ होती है, निम्फ की जो थी, मतलब कैट, इट वॉज लाइक ए निम्फ एंड शी वॉज लुकिंग इन ए वेरी इन सरप्राइज, इन एस्टॉनिशमेंट, हैरानगी से देख रही है टू द टू फिश विच वर ग्लाइडिंग in the vase. A whisker first and then a claw. Whisker are the long hair that grow near the face of a cat. Well, उसके जो moustache है उसको, whiskers को, and then a claw. Claw होते हैं उसके carved nails जो होते हैं. At the end of the animal's foot जो nails होते हैं वो claw होते हैं. और वो उसको means she is first she is striking the vase with her whisker and then with the claw, and many an ardent wish. Ardent means passionate, strong wish. उसको strong wish के साथ कि मैं खा लूँ इन दोनों फिश को. कभी उसने अपने whiskers मारे वॉज के साथ, कभी अपने पंजे मारे, और बहुत ही डीप उसको विश थी, उसकी डिज़ायर थी टू ईट द फिश. इन ऑर्डर टू ईट दोज fish, she hit the vase with her whiskers and then with her claw. She stretched, means hit, or she came forward in vain. In vain means she was not successful in her effort to reach the prize. Prize here means जो उसको prize है, means उसका what she wants, पोजेस करना चाहती है वो, दैट मीन्स फिश. जो फिश है, शी वॉन्ट्स टू रीच दैट फिश. इन ऑर्डर टू कैच द फिश, इन ऑर्डर टू ईट द फिश, शी स्प्रेड हर बॉडी फॉरवर्ड. शी हिट द वॉज विद हर विस्कर, शी हिट द वॉज विद हर क्लॉ. शी हैड एन अर्डेंट पैशनेट विश, डिजायर टू ईट द फिश. What female heart can gold despise? Here this line is a satire on the woman. Female heart, क्या औरत का दिल कभी सोने से घृणा कर सकता है? Despise means hate. कभी नहीं कर सकता ना, never. A woman can never hate the gold. In the same way, the fish can never despise the cat can never despise a fish, means cat will always long for the fish. cat हमेशा फिश को खाना चाहेगी, जैसे वुमेन जो है गोल्ड के लिए मरती हैं, कैट फिश के लिए तब बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ायर उसकी थी खाने की. What cats averse to fish? कौन सी कैट है जो हेट करेगी फिश को? It means no. करेगी कोई? No. No cat will hate the fish. Every cat would like to eat the fish. जैसे कि हर वुमेन जो होती है गोल्ड को लेना चाहती है, वैसे ही हर कैट जो है फिश को लेना चाहती है. तो इट मीन्स इन ऑर्डर टू ईट द फिश, द कैट वॉज नाउ ट्राइंग, मेकिंग अटेम्प्ट्स. शी वॉज स्ट्राइकिंग द वॉज विद हर पॉज, विद हर बॉडी, विद हर विस्कर, बट शी वॉज नॉट सक्सेसफुल. इट वॉज ऑल इन वेन. वॉज को ब्रेक करके फिश को नहीं खा पाई. Presumptuous maid. Again, this is for the cat. She was a cat who was presumptuous, means very haughty, confident, which has no respect for others. अब उसको खाना ही है उन फिश को, तो she was very overconfident. Maid here is used for cat. Earlier, nymph has been used for cat. The maid is used for cat. With looks intent, she had intention of eating the fish. Again she stretched. She स्ट्रेच्ड मीन्स आगे को आती है. अगेन शी बेंट, फिर झुकती है. शी कम्स फॉरवर्ड, देन शी बेंड्स डाउन. शी मेक्स efforts to catch the fish, nor knew the gulf between. She does not know the gulf means gap. She does not know that there is a gap. Was जो है कांच का है या whatever फाइबर का है, whatever material is there, वो उसको रोक रहा है फिश खाने को. She is striking it. She is spreading her, coming forward. She is hitting the walls. But she is in vain. She is not successful because there is a gulf. There is a gap between the fish and the cat. There is a boundary. वो टूटेगी तो ही फिश खा पाएगी ना, but that was very solid. तो गैप है बीच में. She is not able to catch the fish. Why? Because of the glass. Malignant fate sat by and smiled. Malignant कौन होता है? जिसका कोई इरादा बुरा होता है. फेट जो था वो मेलिग्नेंट था, वांटिंग टू कॉज हार्म, टू ब्रिंग डेथ. फेट जो था उसका खराब था, उसकी किस्मत खराब थी. वो पास ही बैठा स्माइल कर रहा था. मीन्स नाउ द कैट ने फिश को खाना ही है. अगर कैसे खाएगी देखते हैं, लेट अस सी. तो फेट was malignant at that time. Fate was bad. She had a bad fate at that time. The slippery verge her feet beguiled. Verge means edge. Her feet beguiled means deceived. Her feet were deceived by the edge of that vase. She tumbled headlong in. What happened? It had become a little bit slippery. She fell down into the vase. 8 times emerging from the flood, she mewed to every watery god. Now when she fell down, she made efforts to come out. Emerging means coming out from the flood. From that water, she made 8 efforts to come out. She mewed to every watery god. She requested to every god to save her. She made so many efforts to come out. She requested the gods. It means she cried. Some speedy aid to send. भगवान को क्या कहती है? जल्दी से aid means help भेज दो. Quick help should come. She requested gods to send her help, aid, help भेज दो, so that she may come out. Now she was drowned. She was drowning inside. She mewed किया. This is poetry. This is poetic imagination that she was requesting the gods to help her. No dolphin came. No nereid stirred. Nereid क्या होती है? Spirit of water. Stirred means came to help. No spirit came to help her, nor cruel Tom, nor Susan heard. Tom and Susan are the names of other creatures which were living in the house of Gray's friend. No Tom came to rescue her, and no Susan came to rescue her. They may be a cats and dogs name. They didn't come to help her. Why they didn't come to help her? Because a favorite has no friend. Because Salima must be the favorite of Gray's friend. Salima must be the favorite cat of the housekeeper. तो जो फेवरेट, जिसको ज़्यादा कोई प्यार करेगा उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं होता, उससे सब जेलसी करते हैं. All are jealous of her, so no one came to rescue her. So from this incident, we make this conclusion here the poet is satirical. He is giving an advice to the beautiful ladies. He is giving advice to the beautiful women that ye beauties, O sundar ladies, undeceived. No one false step is never retrieved. एक गलत अगर कदम हो जाएगा फिर तुम पीछे नहीं हट पाओगे. So you should never take wrong steps. You should always be wise and you should always be mindful of your steps. You should take steps wisely. Whatever action you take, you should be wise enough. And be with caution bold. Caution means careful. You should take steps very careful. You should be careful in taking your steps. Nor all that tempts your wandering eyes is lawful prize. Tempts means attracts. Whatever attracts you is never a lawful prize. Here, lawful prize means that cannot be good for you. That can be cheat, deceitful. तुम किसी चीज से अट्रैक्ट हो जाओ, वो तुम्हें धोखा दे सकता है बाद में. Nor all that glitters is gold. All that glitters is gold means whatever looks tempting, attractive, that can be deceitful. वो धोखा दे सकता है. So, हर सुंदर चीज़ जो होती है वो सुंदर नहीं होती. That can be deceitful. So always be careful. Always be cautious. So go through this poem carefully, children. Thank you.